Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Islam Manzoor here. So if you are a real estate agent and looking for amazing lead magnets, funnels for your leads and for your customers, getting more leads, more business, and also you're looking for sales funnel as well, so you are on a right video. I'm going to show you how you can create a real estate agent amazing funnel for lead magnets and for selling purpose as well. So let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how I designed this amazing landing page. So here you can see I have just designed this amazing landing page in a GoHighLevel, and here is amazing real estate agent landing page, and you can customize it according to your requirement, and I will show you in just a second so you will get idea how it's work. And here we have amazing footer as well, and I'm also working on a booking page and also working on a thank you page as well, but right now I'm going to show you how you can design it. It's a simply GoHighLevel's landing page. I just simply take two columns here, and one put a button and put on a right line, and another column I put a text and put on a left line. Here I just take this image, and this is not image, this is a text, and here I just take another heading text. There is a short description text, and here we have form we have integrated with for leads magnet purpose, and I have a basic code here. Basic code purpose is just moving these things here, and here I have just simple HTML CSS code. I will also give you this code as well in a description box if you want to design something like this. And here we have another section that we have designed here, and also we have booking button here, call to actions, and here we have some more info about the business, and here we have complete procedure of providing consultations and booking more leads, booking more customers, and yeah, that's for amazing design. And here we have another some code I just show you as well. In this scenario you can see here we have some clients feedback. It will be a pop-up according to this design, but here is some custom code. I can also provide you this code as well, so you can simply drag and drop this code and you can utilize it for your purpose. And simply here we have another section where we have some FAQs, and here we have some footer section, and also we have call to action here, and here is our footer. These here is social media link as well, and you can also design this simple landing page. It's super easy, it's not a big deal. And if you want this landing page, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation here, and I will jump with you on a call and I will give you this landing page. You can buy all-in-one marketing platform GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, the link in description box below, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step how you can get I can give you this funnel, and I will set up complete CRM for you and also give you this amazing landing page as well if you are a real estate agent. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you need this free of cost, simply go to here and book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. That's it from this video.